Kia Telluride EX Fender replacement. Wrap tape on the tool to protect parts and use a clip remover for clips. To remove and install the fender on your Kia Telluride, follow these simple removal steps. Step 1. Detach and remove the front bumper assembly. In the description below, you'll find links to videos with clearer, more detailed visual instructions for completing these steps. Step 2. Remove the fender garnish, using a screwdriver or remover. Step 3. Remove the headlamps. You can find the link to this video in the description below, or it will appear in the top right corner of your screen. Step 4. Remove the fender side cover, using a screwdriver or trim remover. Step 5. Loosen the bolts and screws, and remove the front bumper side mounting bracket, Step 6. Loosen the clips, then remove the fender insulator, as shown in the illustration. Step 7. Loosen the mounting bolts and nut, then take out the fender assembly. Installation. Install the fender by following the removal steps in reverse order. Install new clips or pin-type retainers to replace any that are damaged. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and consider becoming a sponsor. Your support helps us grow and keep improving.